And then the next point is, very important point, point number 8 is, how much money do I need to run my business? What's up, guys? Welcome to part number 2, how to bring an idea to life. How to go from idea stage to project stage, and we go take you to a step-by-step guide, okay? Guys, the first part is take a piece of paper. We just put out here now the second part. Take a piece of paper. It's very important that you write everything down, okay? Write all the parts down step by step. My first business was started as well, like on a piece of paper. I didn't have fancy business cards, I didn't have a logo, but like a piece of paper is like the fundamental to brainstorm, to bring an idea to life, okay? And part number 2 is, if you want to find an idea, what you need to do is, first you need to find a problem which you can solve, okay? And it's very simple thing. The bigger the problem you solve, the more money can you make, okay? Simple rule. That's why companies like Google, like Facebook, like Airbnb, like WhatsApp are making that huge amount of money, or are so high valued, because they are solving for a big amount of people a huge problem, okay? As example, Facebook gives you the possibility to connect with other people around the world. Before, this was not possible in a good way like this. Of course, there was other applications, but like, you need to find a problem. And the second part is, you need to start to find the solution for this problem. It's very important that you find the solution for the problem. So first you find a problem, then you figure out how to solve this problem. It can be a company, or it can be a service which is already established on the market, but you solve it better. You find a better way how to solve it. Can be a better in a restaurant, as example, that you figure out how to do a delivery for this stuff, or if you have like a plumber company, then you figure out like new ways, or how to deliver fast to the clients, or whatever. Just think about what is the solution for the problems, and you are getting paid for creating values, okay? That's the most important part. You need to understand. If you start to understand that, you will make monies by boatloads. You will make money by boatloads. Okay? It's very important. Find a solution for a problem, and you will get paid for creating values. Okay? The next parts, I put the stuff here away. The next parts are, find out what you can charge for a solution. This will be a very important part for the next step, which we have here, for the evaluation. I will show you this in the next chapter. The evaluation is how you can move, or how you can tell what your business is actually worth. So you need to figure out what you actually charge for your solution. Do some market research, see what the competition is doing, go to Google Analytics, go to analytics tools, and find out what it can charge for the solutions. Maybe find some insiders who can give you some insights about what is your competition is doing. As example, when your competition is selling, I don't know, a service for 100 bucks, then maybe you should not go out and sell the same service for 1,000 bucks. Do the research first and figure out what is the amount you can charge for the service, okay? The next point is, when you have all this done, so you have a problem you solved, you found out a solution, you figured out what you can charge for, then you start to think about, who is my actual client, okay? So you start to think about, what is the age of my client? What is the gender of my client? Is it somebody very young? Is it somebody mid-age? Is it somebody old? Who is the actual client of myself? What does he likes? As example, if you are selling hip-hop clothes, maybe it's not like your avatar is not 60 years old and listening to jazz music, okay? So you need to figure out, who is your customer avatar, who is your actual customer, and you need to think about, because this will be very important, that you know who to target, okay? It's very, very important to find out with which people are you dealing with and to find out who is my actual customer, okay? The next point is, who do I need in my team in general? As example, if I want to launch an application, then I need DevOps who can help me to build the application, because I'm not a DevOps. If I want to run an insurance distribution company, then I need salesmen, okay? If I want to have like a legal or a lawyer firm, then I need lawyers, because I'm no lawyer. So you need to think about, who do I need in my team as in general? And this is very important that you get very specific about it. Do you need accountants? Do you need marketing people? Do you need sales people? What do you need? Actually think about that and work this out, because it's very important that you really know who do you need in my team, or who do you need in your team, because in the next part we will talk about the power team, how to build the power team, who should be in your power team, and you should have right now here in this step of the idea to bring an idea to a project stage. You should be here aware, who do I need in my team, okay? So the next parts, are how to create a roadmap. A roadmap is that you have the end in sight, okay? So that you know, okay, there are 3 different ways how to get out of a business. The first way is your business gets bankrupt, so you fail. Second point is you hold your business, so you don't sell your business. Third way is to get out of business. It's like an exit, to sell the company to somebody else. So you need to have the end in mind. So there are different ways how to create a roadmap. Like you are right now, start of 2019 as example, and 2025 you want to sell your company. So you have 6 years to sell your company. So now what are the steps? What do I need to sell my company? Do I need clients? Do I need some users on my app? What do I need? And then you break the steps down. As example, if you want to have 1 million users on your application, and this will not happen overnight. It's like a step-by-step process. First you get your first 50K, then you get your 100K users, and then step by step, and like this, you make a roadmap. And before you can get users on your application, you need an application. Then that's how you break the stuff down. Step by step, you get like a roadmap. And then the next point is, very important point number 8 is, how much money do I need to run my business, okay? Or to get my business running from start until it's operating, until it's generating revenue. How much money do I need? Do I need 100K? Do I need 10 millions? Do I need 1 million? It's a very important number, okay? So here you need to figure out what for an amount do I need. It's very important that you think about this, because we will get more deeper in it after the valuation and the power team part, how you can raise funds for your business. And then the next point is very important. Now you have all this stuff now on a piece of paper. Maybe it's an A4 paper. You have everything written down, and now you start to create a storyboard. The storyboard is essential to do the next steps. So if you don't have this storyboard, and I will explain you what a storyboard is, the stuff will not work out. So I explain you right now what is a storyboard. A storyboard is like a kind of PowerPoint, like a kind of presentation, where you have all these steps described in a very short, in very short sentences. So as example, the problem is, right now in my city there are limited public transportation opportunities. That's the problem, and the solution is, I want to open a bicycle taxi to bring people from A to B, okay? That's the solution. And then you write this down step by step on your PowerPoint or on your Word file, and like this you get a storyboard. The storyboard is very important for the next part, for the evaluation, and that you can get people to your team. Because how you want to convince somebody to join your team or to be an investor of your company if you don't even have nothing on your on paper? It's very important that you have the stuff on paper, not like on paper on a written part, but like on paper on a Word, or that you can make like a PDF. Maybe you search for someone who can help you with this. We will talk about this in the power team section. so that you can get this all done, because maybe you're not that talented in copywriting and stuff like that, so you need to find the people who can help you, okay? And there are people who can help you. They do it for free because maybe they like you, because maybe they see an opportunity in what you are doing, and that's how you get stuff like this done. And this is the first and most important part, how to get an idea to life, okay? In the next part, we are talking about evaluation. I'm happy to see you there, and stay tuned. Bye.
Yeah, I'm out the mud with it, that's facts. I used to hate waking up broke, baby. Nah, we ain't never going back. We ain't never going back to that, cause the meal ticket came back to back. Talk about a little $250,000 in the safe, we really having that.